Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Another hot afternoon across western Oregon. Quickly got the temperatures back down into the upper 70s here across parts of the southern Willamette Valley. And you say, well, why is that, Stapes? How'd that happen? Well, we've had the marine layer start to push back inland. Southwest winds bring in that cooler ocean air, and that mixes out the hot stuff pretty quickly. Now, it's still hot out there in many spots. Portland, Troutdale, Hillsborough, Salem, all set records today in the mid to get this upper 90s. 97 degrees. That was the hot temperature today, the high actually, out of Portland Airport at PDX there. Now, not as hot here across some parts of the southern Willamette Valley. We got 90 down towards Cottage Grove. We also saw 90 out to Walterville. Officially at the airport in Eugene, we sat at 89, so right about where we were yesterday. We actually ticked up to 90, and you can see the marine layer there on the visual satellite just kind of hugging along the coast. Coast, as you might expect, certainly a little cooler this afternoon, and that'll be the case as they go in towards their Thursday forecast as well. Temperatures in Astoria, no 80s today, back into the 60s as that cooler air raced northward. Didn't really make much of an impact inland, though. Look at the temperatures, close to 100 degrees in the Dalles, 102 the hot spot in Medford today, 96 in Roseburg again, 89 in Eugene, and another 93-degree day in Corvallis. So temperatures right now, the winds out of the southwest bringing in that cooler marine air, sitting in the mid to upper 70s. Now again, you get downtown, still a little warmer in the 80s, and still warmer still as you head down towards Roseburg. Roseburg, folks in the Umpqua sitting at 90 degrees right now. Out in Bend and Redmond checking in at 83, 76 up at the Santiam Pass. And then we've got low to mid 60s and even upper 50s out towards Newport and the Central Coast. So there's the marine layer, that little we'll call it just lightly shaded cloud cover there, but otherwise high pressure aloft has slowly been inching inland over the last 24 hours, and that's what's brought in what we call return flow. We're also starting to see some moisture moving in from these upper level low, bringing thunderstorms, mainly across parts of the Rockies and the Great Basin, but those will start to creep eastward too. Won't have much of an impact on our forecast, but if you're traveling east towards, let's say, Ontario, Pendleton, or maybe down Interstate 84, you'll run into some of those next couple of nights. So for tonight, things will stay relatively muggy and mild with the surface winds out of the southwest. That'll keep some moisture around. So again, dew points stay up, and that's the amount of water vapor in the air, the stickiness of what it feels like. And as that high continues to drift inland, we'll be watching for an area of low pressure developing that will eventually move through on Sunday. Saturday should be fine for Autzen. No problems there for the duck game, but as that swings through Sunday and Monday, not only is it going to knock the temperatures back big time, but it is going to give us a chance to fire up some thunderstorms, likely Sunday afternoon and into the evening. Good news is the refreshing cooler air is going to stick around for next week, but it will come with a bit of a price. We'll see some scattered showers at times on Monday. So partly sunny at the coast for tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the little cooler again, low 60s to mid 60s, then slowly bumping back up to the upper 60s by Saturday. Sunday and Monday, I think those will be the days we'll see wet weather, and then again Wednesday some more scattered showers. In the Umpqua, temperatures a tad cooler in the low 90s tomorrow. Woohoo! Look at that. Staying that way the next couple of days, and then a notice cool down by Sunday and Monday, but it will come with a chance for some thunderstorms. Cascades sunny and warm tomorrow. Thunderstorms likely in Bend and Redmond and the Cascades Sunday and Monday in the forecast. And then finally for the valley, we'll see the temperatures around 86 to 88. So sort of where we were today. Same thing on Friday, and then slowly backing it off, but a much cooler forecast as we get in towards next week. And people have asked, is that the day or is that the week when we transition into fall? We'll have to watch. We may still have one quick, hit of heat in us here, but I think we're getting close to the end.
Wow.